you bought fish from a fishmonger?
Serious?
No, I've only ever bought it in a packet from a supermarket.
Honestly.
Is that quite shameful?
You swam the channel.
I didn't see any fish that day.
No.
Oh, no, I saw that one, actually. Yeah.
Can I hold it?
No.
David, for fuck's sake, hold it nicely.
Take it!
What else have we got?
Wiping your fingers on your jeans. You don't have to wash those jeans when you have to take them straight off when we get home.
Salmon.
Well, salmon's nice, but it's a bit boring.
It's a bit boring.
Here, have a lovely, beautiful halibut.
Halibut is amazing.
Lovely Scottish inshore halibut.
I think what we'll do, can you fillet it?
Yeah, sure.
There's nothing better than getting a fishmonger to fillet your fish, you know that?
We're celebrities, so we won't be paying. But thank you very much. It's disgusting. Can I wash my...
Just put them on the back of your trousers.
I'm not doing that.
Come on.
Can I wipe them on your trousers?
Go on then, quick.
Because you already wiped them, it's fine.
Thank you.
David Walliams says he's 70% straight. But one thing's crystal clear. He's a lot happier in a dress than he is in a kitchen. I'm going to get him to cook a simple Sunday lunch of halibut and vegetables in red wine.
OK, do we need to put the aprons on or something?
Have you got an apron?
I've brought a couple. Your one's, it's a bit more masculine because it's got little dogs on it.
It's very camp, no?
Your camp? You have a very, very big camp appeal. Put it on. Stop misbehaving. You know, a lot of women, when I said I was coming on this show, were very jealous and said they fancied you.
Serious. I said that to my mates and they said the same about you, how much they fancy you.
Really? What, your male friends?
Yes.
Well, that's no bad thing.
No, that's a nice thing. Right, I want you to take the skin off. When was the last time you took the skin off of a fish?
Well, I've never taken the skin off.
OK. Now, watch. Best thing to do, keep the fish. I feel so funny.
Just get on with it.
I feel,
Stop
look at this thing here,
Just
honestly.
please,
Christ
please,
almighty.
come on, be professional.
Leave the knife flat and just pull it.
Well, so you're just loosening it, really?
Just loosening
you're not
it.
really cutting it.
Yeah,
Shall I do that?
Absolutely, and just slide it through. I didn't know you were left-handed in the kitchen.
I am.
That's great. All good chefs are left-handed.
Really?
Again.
Even Jamie Oliver?
He's right-handed.
He's lovely, though, isn't he? Because he's kind of got it all, isn't he?
Oh, God, it's going to be a great lunch. When was the last time we had an actual dinner party? When was the last time you actually threw?
Don't know, probably quite a few years ago.
Really? And was it successful?
No.
Right, we're going to cut up some pancetta. What I want you to do is just cut what they call lardons. The garnish are going to be quite straightforward. Bacon, mushrooms, roast them all off, OK, and make a bit of a sauce. They're quite fatty, the pancetta.
Yeah, they are.
So we're going to saute them with no oil. Get these shallots and just sort of cut them in half. Timing's crucial, you know that?
Yeah, I know, but that's normally where people come unstuck. Especially with, like, Sunday lunches and stuff, don't they?
Yeah.
A lot to do.
A lot to do.
Well, I'm doing this.
You're in touch with your feminine side, aren't you?
We are. You are as well, aren't you?
No, but all your sketches are all sort of...
Basically dressing up as women and that kind of
but
thing.
is that as sort of transvestite or is that as a...
Just for fun, really.
Just for fun?
I don't know.
I've never dressed up as a woman, you know that?
Well, your wife's out.
So...
all her clothes are upstairs. I can show you a thing or two.
Shallots in there now?
Shallots in together, yeah?
Some pepper. A little bit of rock salt, please. Sprinkle that with a little bit of sugar now. Yeah, teaspoon, yeah, nice. And what that does now, it starts to caramelise. OK, I want you to tip the mushrooms into there for me.
Also, a lot of food, Gordon.
OK, now we're going to open some wine. Give a nice sort of glass in there.
A glass.
OK, yeah. You seem to change girls, like seasons in cooking. You know, I go through autumnal, seasonal, then we go on to something lighter. Every time I see you, you always with a new girlfriend.
I've just got a lot of friends. They're not girlfriends, they're just friends of mine.
The perfect girl would be who?
My mother.
No, it's a marry.
I don't really know. Denise Van Outen would be pretty top of the list, wouldn't she?
Lovely.
I mean, because she's funny and she's very beautiful.
I mean,
and she's fun.
Yes. And lively, and intelligent.
Yeah, she'd be fun. I mean, you've got to think, when you're getting married or something, you've got to think, oh, you know, I'm going to be with this person for at least 6 months. The idea now of this fish is to actually put some colour on there. In we go. Good. Good. Right, that's coming down nicely. Get a spoon, OK, and have a little taste. And just tell me if you think it needs a little bit more seasoning. It's delicious. I don't think it needs any more because...
That's
certainly
perfect.
not salt, because that bacon is very, very salty.
Yeah, that's perfect. Nice. If you just touch that there, look, it's sort of... You've got a little bit of resistance there.
Yeah.
So it's just a little bit pink in the middle.
OK, you're waiting for it to go hard, and then you put it in your mouth. Is that right?
That's exactly that, yes.
OK.
Now, try not to dribble around the outside of the plate.
That's really impressive.
One last little thing, what I want you to do,
Put a bit of that on top of the fish.
Exactly, look.
Wow.
See, that wasn't too bad, was it?
It was great. I loved it. I've actually cooked a meal.
You've done very well. You did very well.
That is delicious. This is the nicest meal I've ever had that I've ever had a hand in cooking.
Really? Well done.
Thank you very much.